everyone, and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. My name is Amaka, and in today's video I want to make a full review of this cream. So as you guys know, this is Blue Crystal Ultimate Intense. I made a review about it. This is like getting to 3 months now. Yeah, I was like, let me buy this cream and use it. I didn't want to be in a rush to use this cream and the soap and the face cream and all that, so I was like, let me use it, and if I use it and it works, I'm gonna come back after 8 weeks or more and give you guys my review. And this is like more than 10 weeks now, so yeah, I think this is the perfect time to make this review, even though I'm going to review them one by one in another video, but this is like full review just the way I did the other one. To me, this cream is really nice. Yeah, it's very nice. If you don't want something that will be too harsh for your skin, just that glow and without, you know, damaging your skin or something like that, or making it too bright. If you just want to tone your skin, if you don't want to change your skin color from what it is, this cream to me is really nice. This is like what you need. Let me just say about me, because this is like what I need to give you guys. So this is really nice. I'm just saying it because I need to say it, because that's the truth. It's really nice. This line, I've used it and I'm loving it. Like, I'm loving it. When I got it, I got the lotion, I got this the soap, I got the face moisturizer, and I got the serum. And these four, like, they are super amazing. They are really amazing, like super amazing. If you are like the type that you want your skin to glow, to be clear, to be nice, this cream like is really amazing. Like, it's very amazing. I've tried it and I love it, and I'm really glad that I used it, because I was using this one before, and this one, it was good, but this one is not something you can use like every day. You can use this one like 3 times. Even it was recommended that you can use this one 3 times, and maybe with other cream. And when I was using it, I'll just put the link somewhere. I've made a video about this one, so you can just go and watch it. If there is any review I'll make on this one, I will not hesitate to do it. So let's focus on this. So this Blue Crystal is really good, and I'm loving it. And it's skin reviving body lotion with glutathione and vitamin C. Like, the ingredients, I don't think they have any harsh chemical in it, or, you know, it's very good. And you know, like glutathione, you know, vitamin C, like, they are very good for your skin. So yeah, I just want to come out here because I owe you guys explanation if I don't come and make a few review on this, because when I got it, I said I'm gonna use it and I'm gonna come back and tell you guys the full review. And this is really good. Like, I've tried it and it's really nice. You can see how much I've used the soap. Like, this is the soap, so it's really good. And the face cream, and this is the serum. So I've tried this cream and it's really good. If you want to give it a try, just go ahead and buy it if you want. It's just a little bit on the higher price, but does it work? Yeah, it works. If you want to go for it, you can buy the whole set. if you can buy the whole set and see how it works for your skin. This is the soap, this is the body lotion, this is the face cream, and this one is the serum. So guys, yeah, I remember when I got it, I told you guys I got them too, because I don't like to, I just want to use this cream and see how it is on my skin. So when I got it two, like separate sets, but two sets. So this is the one I haven't used. You can see, I'll just try to open this up. You can see this one. So I haven't used this one. I'm still don't know how to carry this. I'm still using this one. Like, let me put it here. So these four are the ones I'm currently using. So, and the cream is remaining somewhere there. So I think it works well. So if you want to give it a trial, so you guys should go ahead and give it a trial. It's really good. I've made a previous review. You can check it out if you want to see how it works. I really like it, and yeah, I'm actually enjoying the cream because, you know, to me it's good. So that will be it. If you have any question, you can put that in the comment section. And I got this cream on MAKARI website. So if you want to buy, I have a video as well where to buy your MAKARI products. I'll put it somewhere up if you want to check it out, if you want to check them out, like where you can get your authentic MAKARI products. Don't forget to buy online if you want. So if you want to check the video out, I have a few genuine places you can get your original MAKARI. So this set of MAKARI works very well for me. I think it doesn't take away your color, and it just makes your own color to be beautiful and clearer. Again, it just retains your natural color. This is what I like about the cream. So if you want something that can bleach you or something, you can just go away from this video, because that's not what this cream is, you know. Maybe you can check another product, but if you want something that can glow your skin, something that can make your skin clear, yeah, this is it, because I've tried it and I'm actually loving it. So I'm going to end this video here, and if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye guys.